If you're one of our many international users, joining us from over 50 supported countries, this video is for you. Today, we're going to walk you through how to make a deposit using Wise, one of the most popular options for international transfers. Why Wise? Because it gives you two key advantages: easy international bank transfers, great currency exchange rates. The result? You can start in your local currency and land in USD on coast, ready to mint or swap in just a few clicks. We're going to show you every step, so nothing's left unclear. But here's the good news: once you've set things up the first time, your next deposit can take less than 30 seconds. Seriously, it's that smooth. Let's get started. Depositing with Wise. First, create a Wise.com account. Once you have an account made, select your account type. Then, choose your account location. Verify with your phone. Next, complete the 2FA. After completing the sign-up process, you'll be directed to the Wise.com dashboard. You'll need to log into your external banking provider. In this example, we will be using one of the largest banks in Australia to demonstrate how easy it is to use local bank-to-bank transfers through Wise.com, but keep in mind that they provide very similar services in more than 150 countries. Your local bank is very likely supported no matter where you are. After logging into your bank, jump over to the Coast website and sign in. Click the Deposit and Withdraw tab. When you click Deposit Cash, Wise.com will load as the first option for deposits. This drawer contains all the information you will need to fund your digital account using Wise.com. Please note that the recipient name is CTS Global LLC, not your name. Next, you'll pull up the Recipients tab on Wise.com. Once you're on that page, you will add a recipient. If you have previously deposited to Coast, do not use the old Fortress Trust LLC account. This account no longer exists and will likely result in the funds being returned to your Wise.com account. Select the option USD United States Dollar. Select the option to add a recipient by entering their bank details. Select that Someone Else option. You'll then enter the details needed. When adding a recipient, be sure to select ACH option. Do not select Wire or SWIFT, as these methods will incur higher fees. Also note that we suggest putting checking, as you are sending money to an operating business account in the USA. Then just enter the information you find on the deposit screen. Then, you'll be asked for the address details. Use the address provided on the deposit screen of the Coast website. Once everything is confirmed, take a look at the new recipient to make sure everything is correct. Then nickname your account. Save the account as CTS Global LLC. If you have created the recipient correctly in Wise, it should look something like this. We will now start a transfer. First, select your funding method. It should be set to international. Note the total fees. Then, select the recipient account. CTS Global LLC. Review the transfer details. Enter the reference code. The reference code can be found on the deposit screen on the Coast website. To have your account credited automatically, you must use the unique reference code provided on the deposit screen. If you fail to do this, we will need to confirm your deposit, and this could take 3 to 5 business days. Once you've done this, select your method of payment. To pay for the transfer, open Pay Anyone in your banking website. Then, select the recipient after that review and confirm. Enter your security information. Once this is finished, you will be able to refer to the Wise website dashboard. Here, you can see the timeline of the transfer.